Welcome to the topic of composing algebraic expressions using real-life scenarios. Let's explore how algebraic expressions like 5x plus 3 model everyday situations. Here, x represents the number of items purchased, 5 is the cost per item, and 3 is a fixed fee. This approach helps us think mathematically about real-world problems. Let's get started. In algebra, variables stand in for unknown values. For our example, x represents items purchased. The total cost can depend on how many items are bought. Explore how changing x affects the equation 5x plus 3. Imagine buying 10 items. To determine the total cost using our expression 5x plus 3, substitute x with 10. This substitution illustrates how the expression works in real life. Let's illustrate the cost for buying 10 items. We start with our equation 5x plus 3 and substitute x with 10. Calculating this gives us Suppose you know the total cost is $53 and want to find x in the equation 5x plus 3 equals 53. How do we rearrange this to isolate x? Let's work through it step by step. Now let's solve for x in the equation 5x plus 3 equals 53. First, subtract 3 from both sides. This means to find x, divide both sides by 5. Thus we find algebraic expressions allow us to represent and solve real-world problems. As we engage with examples like total cost, we see the importance of algebra in everyday life. Keep practicing with similar expressions for better understanding. Thank you for learning with us. Explore more algebra topics and deep dive into expressions. Keep questioning and investigating.